All right, the third power. So now we're going to nerd out. We are going to do the whole analytics piece. Analytics is awesome because it shows you a whole bunch of different stuff. It shows you what date your viewers watched your video, how many in that specific date, how many in specific time frame, whether you go 28 days, last year, since your lifetime of when you started a YouTube channel. It gives you so much data points, and it even gives you geography in which your videos are being watched, right? And these are really good, important data points because if you put the video out to your class and you want to see how many people actually watched it, you can do that. You can see what day they watched it. All the stuff that is awesome to look at and awesome to just see, right? Like every time you publish a video, it's cool to see that people are actually watching it. That's the whole point of putting out a video, so they can watch it. So now, without any further ado, I'm going to show you the awesome world of analytics. So there's going to be a lot of information. That's why I made a video, so you can go back to it. Now, first things first, okay? I would suggest, again, that you bookmark the analytics page. But how do you get there initially is you click right in your banner, and then what you could do is go here to analytics, and this is your analytics homepage. So bookmark it right here, bam, bada boom. Now, a lot of info to digest. Okay, so give a quick overview. All right, so this is the homepage, and it gives you the default. It brings you to the last 28 days, right? So what it does is it shows you how many views you got, watch time, and how many subscribers you got within those 28 days. Okay. It also gives you dates in which your videos were watched, right? So, bam, hover over there. This one, I published a video there, blah, 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 right? It gives you your top videos this period, okay? How many views, average view duration, right? So if you have a 5-minute video, you can actually see how long people are averagely watching I don't think averagely is a word. How many people on average are watching your videos, right? The views. You could also change this, right? If you go up here to the top right, right, and click on that arrow, you can go last 7 days, last 90 days, last 365, lifetime, blah, blah, custom, right? You could do a custom date, which means that you can go obviously anytime you want. So, right, let's go. I like to always go lifetime, and I'm almost at 20 grand, right? 20 views, right? And what's also cool about this is, it shows you top videos, right? So my top rated video, which I don't even think was a good video at all, to be honest with you, is this video right here. That many views, right? So that's basically your home page and what you could do with the navigation as seeing how many, going back a certain date. Okay. What else you could do is if you click on reach, right? It shows you all this other data. I don't think you really have to worry about any of that stuff. Traffic sources, where people are looking for your video, where are you pulling people in from, right? This is my video with the end screens. If you have an end screen video on your end screen and people click on your other videos from that, that's where it would be suggested videos, right? All this stuff, all this data, right? How many times your videos were watched via watching a playlist, right? People search for your videos. 19% of my videos are when people search for them. 38% are when people are suggesting them from within a video. All this data. Okay. Engagement is cool. Engagement shows you the total number of watch hours, right? But so all this can be deciphered within up here, within lifetime, last 7 days, 28 days. I always like to go lifetime just to see if it's cool. So basically, in my lifetime, I've gotten 515 watch hours. The average duration per video, and obviously some videos are longer than others, is 1 minute 34. Okay. There's some other data down here. My top videos by end screen, right? That's why you make end screens, to see how many times people watch your videos based on what you put in your end screen. Okay. All this stuff. Top playlists, top cards, all that stuff. Okay. Now, then you can click audience. Audience is a whole bunch of stuff. Unique viewers. Don't worry about that. That's just stuff you could, go. All right. Here is, all right. So Watch time for subscribers. Obviously, people that are not subscribed have watched my video for a longer duration. That's interesting. Um, Down here, age and gender. Most of the people are, on average, split 50-50. Most of the people that watch my videos are this old. Okay. And I love this, top geographies, right? So if I click see more here, right, I've gotten videos watched from India, Philippines, Malaysia, Canada, Jamaica, right? That's pretty cool. So that's all the stuff that you could see from there. And all the stuff that I'm doing now, you could actually see from, okay, from your each video. So what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is you can see the analytics of a video without having to go to your analytics homepage. All you have to do is go to a video, right? And then once you're in that video, right, you see analytics right here. So here's a video, save emails to Google Drive, right? It's gotten that many views for I don't know how, but and then you can click on analytics, and what that does is it breaks down the video, specifically just that video, and it gives you the same data points, right? So you can go up here, since published, first 24 hours, last 7 days, 28 days, right? So if you, right, just put a video out and you want your kids to watch it at night, right, you would go to the analytics page and you would see, okay, like, and then you could obviously go, if I did last 7 days, I'll know that on December 3rd, right, and I hover over it, I have 22 people that watched it. And then, December 4th, 20 people watched it. And you just hover over the graph. Or not, is that a graph? I don't know what that is. Graph, yeah, sure. All right. So, and then down here, average view was 1:25. Okay. All that jazz. Go to see more. You could do a whole bunch of other stuff, but don't worry about all that. That's just getting super technical for no reason. Okay. All right. So now, you understand that once you put a video out, you could actually see the data points in the analytics for that video. All right. And you can go to reach again, right? All this stuff, traffic sources. You can go to engagement, audience, right? So basically, more people in India have watched this than in the United States. Interesting. Okay. Top subtitles, languages, all this stuff. Okay. So far I've shown you how to do basically an overarch of all your videos where you can get your overall data. I've showed you how to get data based on each individual video. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do a quick little data point analytics thingy. So you can see like a less noisy view of your latest videos published. For instance, every morning I come up to my YouTube, and then what I do is I go down to where it would be the last 48 hours and last 60 minutes of my videos. I bookmarked it. So, but where you first get it is now you're on your analytics homepage. If you scroll down right under here to where it says top videos and then see more. If you click on see more, this view here, I would bookmark it as last 48 hours, right? So it gives you a quick little view of what happened in the last 48 hours, right? Yesterday from 1 to 2, I got 10 views. Here I got 2 views yesterday from 2 to 3. And this is an overall of all your videos, okay? It gives you the last 48 and the last 60 minutes, okay? So, it basically gives you a little shortcut way to see how many people are watching your videos. And it updates live. You don't have to hit refresh, okay? And again, that's found on your homepage of your analytics website. And it is down here where it says see more, okay? So that's basically the gist of your analytics. I know it's a lot of information, but, it's just a cool way to check out and see how your YouTube channel is going. All right, any questions, contact us.